Hey guys, Rockbox. Um, so there's a new update for Titanium. So just follow along on here. I'm going to post a link to the download in the description. So to download the link, you're going to open your browser, okay, and you're going to see right here. This is the one I'm going to copy and put it in the description. And then to download an app, all you have to do is open up the link within your browser and it will take you to the download page and it'll just download it. It'll download to your box. So what you have to do, I've already deleted Titanium, but you need to delete the old version. So go to settings, drop down to the second row, go all the way across to more settings, down to apps. Then you're going to scroll through here until you get to Titanium. You're going to click on it. I've already deleted Titanium. And then you're going to click uninstall. Then click OK. Okay, once that's done, you're going to go back to your home page. Go to apps. Go to your file browser. Click it. I'll go back one step so you can see what it looks like. So I have a USB in here called Kodak. If you have a USB in there, it's not going to be stored in there. It's going to be stored on your local disk. So you're going to click that, go down to download, and it'll be right here. So you can always double check if it's the newest one. There's the date right there, January 4th at 10:59 p.m. or 9:59 p.m. So you click the app or the APK that you want to install, and it's going to ask you to install it. So go to install. Just keep in mind too, when you guys have questions, please use the Rockbox um, messaging group. Don't personally message me because I won't answer. I know everybody loves having their TV at and everybody freaks out when something goes wrong, and 800 people are all messaging at the same time on personal Facebooks or text messages or whatever. So I know you guys get excited, but please try and refrain from bombarding my regular cell phone number and stuff with it, and please go to the Facebook page because it will be posted there. If you don't see it, just be patient and it will be there. So now that the app is installed, just click done and hit your home button to go back to your main screen. Go down to the plus sign and then just scroll down and look for Titanium. Hit OK. Hit your home button, and there it is on the bottom. So this is the latest updated version. This will apply again. If this app goes down again for an update, which it probably will, follow this video again. It doesn't matter what version it is. You can use this methodology for any app that you want to download. It works the same way for every one. So you click on it. I personally don't allow any of this stuff. There's no need for it. And there's the version change log, which came out this morning. So you click that. EXO Player does not work. So most of you should have MX Player on there. I've installed VLC Player. You can open up the Google Play Store on your box, and you can get MX Player or VLC Player if you don't have it. Yes Player, don't waste your time with it because it's full of ads and stuff like that. So I'll be using MX Player. Then click accept, and you're good to go. And then from that point on, it's just like the old version. Okay, click your season. Should click never ask again, otherwise it'll keep doing it. So then you just pick your season, go over here to play, and then it'll go retrieve your links. Once it retrieves your links, you just click on one just like you did before. You're good to go. All right, that's it.